2000 Tahoe Limited with a 6.0 LS motor. As you guys can see, it's really a nice truck. We'll show you. It's got short tube headers, shorties, and then it's got high flow Flowmaster cats there and there. They were done somewhere else. And then it wires into a single right there. And then he had way too much drone out of it. So he saw our video for the AT4 we put on with this type of muffler. It's a MAGNAFLOW 12909. If you guys want a link there'll be a link in the description for it. That's where he got his from. So if you guys can, do the same if you need it. This one is nice because it guarantees no drone, which is really nice with a big block build like this. Anyways, it's got 3.5-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch angle tip that somebody else has done for him before us. Well, we installed the muffler for him right there, as you guys can see. There it is, right there. So like always, please comment, like, and subscribe. Tell us what you guys think of this build. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Much better. Give a guess? Oh wow. That's not bad at all. It's still got sound, but not too much. Give it again. There's sound decibels. Right at 102. That's perfect. It's not going to drone at all. I think you'll be really happy with it now. Yeah. And it's still got a nice idle to it too. You still hear it.
It's got a cam in it.
Yeah. Got a nice cam in it. Chevy Tahoe cam. The 6.0 LS motor. Wow, that sounds good. That sounds good. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Tahoe.